I have a trick that I believe I created. You go like that, that to open, and you go like that to close. It's really cool. So basically you go like that, like you're gonna do the normal opening. So you flip it back, you spin it, throw it back over your hand, and you flip it over. And this is the way to close it. Flip it that way, you spin it, do that, flip it up. So it's basically a cool way to open it that other people won't know, because they're going to be doing this opening, this opening, oh, I messed up. Here's another one that I think I created. So you hold it in an ice pick, you throw it over and grab it. Then you do the same thing for clothes. It's really cool. I'm going to show you how to do this one. You throw it down with some speed, so it comes back over, grab it, and move your fingers. And for the clothes, do the same thing. But yeah. Ouch. You gotta be careful that you're not holding the bite handle. I just hit myself. But yeah. Hold on. Hold on. But yeah, that's just an interesting way that I'm not sure if I did create, but I believe I created it. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe.